Not feeling so great and maybe need to get some medical care this holiday season, you may want to consider urgent care centers. Many are open on Christmas Day and New Year's Day, with most medical offices closed. Joining us this morning is Dr. Saeed Hussein, the medical director of Hartford HealthCare Urgent Care. Doctor, thank you for your time this morning.
You're welcome, Elisa. My pleasure.
Yes, happy holidays. Obviously, this is a wonderful option for families to know where they can go for care. Let's backtrack a little, because I also understand for the first time you were open on Thanksgiving Day. What was that like?
You know, it was different because we never opened on the Thanksgiving, and after 26 years, this was the first time we had Thanksgiving and the Christmas day. We are open from 8 to 2, and it was a different experience because people who waited for the day after Thanksgiving, you know, they came in the day when we were open, and they came in for a lot of issues that could have been, delayed, if you will. So we were glad to have it open.
Yeah, absolutely. More urgent care centers are open on the holidays, and I understand that your centers are open on Christmas and New Year's Day as well.
That is true.
Tell us more about that.
So, being open on a Thanksgiving, Christmas, and a New Year's Day, people scramble to find out their doctor's offices are closed and they're feeling not well. Plus, you have a family member coming in from different towns, and you don't want them to get sick from you or from somebody else. So if they are feeling under the weather, we are open. They can come in, get tested for their flu test. Flu is going around. Flu has been picking up a lot, and COVID, and of course pneumonia. So any of those things, if you're not feeling under the weather, if you're feeling under the weather and not feeling well, come on over to the walk-ins.
Good to know. What should people keep in mind when they do need medical care during the holidays?
So basically, when you are feeling under the weather, you're feeling that you have fever, chills, body aches, the last thing you want to do is spread it out among your family members. We are open on Thanksgiving, we are open on Christmas Day and a New Year. And if you're not feeling well, I would strongly urge you to come in for non-life-threatening emergencies. Obviously, somebody's having a life-threatening emergency like chest pain or an allergic reaction, they should go to the emergency room.
Good to know. And what, in your opinion, is the best healthcare tip to give to someone to avoid going to an urgent care or emergency department?
The best thing is to, if you're feeling under the weather, obviously come in and get checked out, right? And if you're having something serious enough, don't procrastinate, because that sometimes could be life, issues with their health. If they're having a chest pain or any of those shortness of breath, or having an allergic reaction, my strong advice is that they should go and get it checked out at the hospital. But before that, I think getting the flu shot, the flu vaccine, and COVID vaccine is so important, to get some sort of a vaccination done ahead of the flu season.
All good advice and reminders. Well, doctor, we appreciate your time this morning. And again, happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays to you. Stay warm and stay well.
You as well. And we